This is called the Red Fort, which means in Urdu Shahi Killa. So I am come here to all visit all these historic places. It was my dream from the very childhood, but the professional responsibilities and the family responsibilities limited me to not visit more sites other than just focus on some certain decided goals. So it is the main thing, and I am now very grateful to Almighty Allah that now I become the most powerful person in my field as a general manager, GM, construction section, and I am visiting Lahore. So this is what we see in the videos and all. This is the Red Fort main gate. This is called Shahi Killa Gate, main gate. But I think made in the era of Mughal Emperor Akbar, and that is the called Badshahi Mosque, and all the minars are surrounded. This is the Mughal architecture, which has been copied all around the subcontinent. The good thing in the Mughal emperors, wherever they built a fort for themselves, for the, his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. So in the other portion, the masjid is also present. So same here. Now the white marbles has been also displayed. White marble building is also there. So visiting these sites, I didn't get a tour guide because I told them that just give me the permission. So I take the special permission from the administration that please give me that I am the engineer Khurram, and I especially came here to visit these historic places, and I will just go through all by myself, and all the boards are mentioned here where the history is written about these. Now I will show you, as a civil engineer, I will also tell you how this is made in a. So this is all the marble work, and this nowadays, if we build the building like this, so it might be very simple because we can make it by machinery. The design we are seeing that, but if we think and if we imagine that it has been built before or later before 5 centuries, so it will be the more difficult one, and this shows how the talented, how the expertise of a Mughal architect and civil engineers who were here to make the Mughal architecture buildings very, very special. Nowadays, if you focus as a civil engineer, I already served in the 14 years in this field, but I never see such building which has been specialized, and the people come along the globe to see the architecture, the everything. So this is not that much. We didn't have any specialty in buildings as to make them very unique. just focus on it. If we walk, I am trying to demonstrate, look at the, it is called octagon shape. So this is the